Hello guys, this session is about how to choose the best Pinewood Derby wheels to race with. These are all the same molds. They're number sixes, and this is what I just like to show people, that there's definitely a difference between each mold. Mold match is not the key. Actually hand spinning each wheel. So this is an axle from actually the Pine car. It's a solid axle. I like this axle because it eliminates any of the issues we have with maybe the hub being the part that's causing the wobble. When we do this, the only thing that we're looking at is the inner bore. We're going to take it and put it on the axle and just give it like a low spin. And you can see there is some kind side-to-side deviation with that one. That one's really bad. And let's check this last one. And that actually runs pretty smooth. So see, same mold, 3 different wheels, all made the same time. They each have different spins on the solid axle. The one that we want is this nice smooth one like this. The other two, if you have a choice to discard those, discard those. If you don't, you don't. Thanks again.